sana kitang sorpresahin. Nais kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Sana sa araw na to, masaya ka. Alam ko naman masaya ka na may kasamang malungkot kasi nga malayo ka sa pamilya mo. Pero ganitong buhay natin dito, darating at darating yung araw na makapiling mo sila. I just want you to know that I love you so much. I just want to wish you a bunches of joy and happiness, but not sadness or sorrow. And may all your dreams come true with your heart desires. Lagi mo tatandaan, andito na ako para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita ngayon, at hindi na yung magbabago. Lagi mo isipin na kahit anong mangyari, mamahalin at mamahalin pa rin kita. Tanggapin ko lang na makita at makasama na kita. Sana maligaya ka sa araw na tumayin. Mahal na mahal kita. At hindi na yung magbabago. Lagi mo tatandaan na mahal na mahal kita. At lagi kita miss. Sana namin darating ng araw na yun na makasama na kita ulit. I mean in person. Basta ingat ka lagi. Saan mang ginagawa mo, saan ka man magpunta. I love you so much, man. Lagi mo tandaan yan. Sa bawat araw na dumaan, para kita minamahal. Happy birthday, and may Allah bless you always. May kanta ako para sa'yo. Kahit boses pala ka ako, okay lang. Basta, kakantahan kita. Medyo yung boses ko medyo alam mo na, dali na nga. Ito na siya. All the times I felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain. For all the wrongs I repeated, love was to blame. I still curse that rain. I didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue. And out of the blue, God gave me you. Show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I want is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why. Now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. For all the times I want self-pity, like a very shirt, all wrapped up in that hurt. Every glass I saw half empty. Now it overflows like a river through my soul. Every doubt I have, I'm finally free. And I truly believe God gave me you. You show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. All that I want is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, na-stress kasi ako eh. Hindi ako makabili. Pasensya ka na. Alam mo itong kanta na to, meaningful talaga. Ito yung first song na dedicate ko para sa'yo. Remember. Basta, papasalamat ako because God gave me you. I love you so much, man. Happy birthday. Lagi kitang miss. I love you so much. Ingat ka palagi. Dahil may mahal na mahal kong asawa ko. Happy birthday ulit.